Please find all necessary software and documents on a USB flash disk. You can also download the software from our website www.spicecam.com. Copy the Cam Manager to your desktop and run it. Enter the default password 60 and then click on the login button. You can synchronize the camera time with your computer here. In the parameter settings, you can modify your camera settings. For instance, you can change the video and photo resolution, enable GPS, and turn on the auto night vision. Additionally, you can quickly restore the factory settings. If you enable the Wi-Fi here, you will automatically activate when the camera powers on. You can find out your video files in your computer's drives.